So I wanted to make a recording showing how to transfer files from an old computer, maybe like your Workspaces. Here's all Bibles in main, or maybe some folders, or maybe you've got some notes. Here's my groups of Bibles here. No, it should transfer everything. So what we'll do is, and I know Accordance has a built-in Dropbox thing somewhere in here, but I'll let you look that up online if you want to do it that way. So somewhere there's a sync to Dropbox, but I don't have a Dropbox account, so I'm just going to show you how to do it the file transfer way. Okay, so what you got to do is, I have a file here. So there's two files you have to transfer from your old computer to your new computer. There's Accordance files, which is located in your documents if you installed it the default settings. And so you can do that two ways. For some reason, if you try searching for it, I don't think it'll find it. Yeah, it's just, for some reason, Microsoft has a horrible search engine. You can download a different search, which I'll link in the description, called Everything, which will find it. So this is the one located in Documents, which I'll show you how to manually find in a second here. So here it is, and then we'll just do it the manually way. So we'll go to our computer, and we'll go to C. Oh, I guess Documents is located under PC. Alright, so there it is, Documents, Accordance files. That's the first one we want. So I'll right click that, copy, and we'll paste it to a thumb drive. So here's my thumb drive, and I had already done this video, so I'm going to delete this from my thumb drive so I can redo it again. Okay, so I'll paste the file we just copied into this thumb drive. And then there's one other file that we need to transfer from our old computer, if we want the one that we want the preferences from, and we'll transfer those to the new computer. So the other file is Accordance Preferences. Okay, so now we got to refine that, and again you could search it here, and it'll show up, and it's the one not with the ink, .ink, it's the one that's Accordance Preferences in AppData. So now I'll show it the manual way. Instead of double clicking it, I'll just go to it. So we'll go to the manual way, and this one, there's one step that we'll have to do because it's going to include AppData, which in my computer is a hidden file, so a folder. So we'll have to make hidden folders shown before we do that. So I guess I'll go back a step. File Explorer Options. So File Explorer Options is located in, I'm just going to search for it here. I guess it's located in Control Panel. So we got to open File Explorer Options, and then we go to View, and the default is Don't Show Hidden Files, which is what your computer will have, and so we want to have Show Hidden Files and Folders. Then we'll just click Apply, yes. Okay, so now go back. And so the one we already copied and pasted Accordance files onto the flash drive. Now I got to copy and paste Accordance Preferences onto the flash drive, and then we'll transfer that to the new computer. So we'll go here, and this one happens to be located in C, and you can skip that whole, anyway, I'll find it here and then I'll show you the easy way. So you got to go to C, and then Users, and then your computer will have a different name, whatever you named your computer, so as long as it's not public or default, you go to that one, and then it's going to be AppData. That's actually a hidden folder, but we just made it shown, and it'll be local and under Accordance, and that's the folder we want. And here's what it looks like. It's got these, I guess I didn't show you what the first one looked like. I'll go back and show you quick. So anyways, just make sure it's that one. So now we'll go back one folder. You can also click back arrow, and then we'll just right click on it, Accordance Preferences, and we'll copy it, and that's what we're going to paste into our thumb drive. So we could just click open it, and then I'll paste it right in the middle here. Just when you paste it, make sure you don't right click on a folder. Make sure you right click in the blank space, otherwise it'll paste it in the folder. So we'll paste our new file here, and I'm going to open the previous file that I pasted just so you can see what it looks like, so you know that you'll highlight it. So the one I pasted before this had things like this in it. Whatever your workspace names are, you should see all those in that folder. So That was in the Accordance files. So these are the ones we pasted both our files we need to transfer to the new computer. Now we will transfer to the new computer. And unfortunately, if you we'll have to, in the new computer, we'll have to re-go to Explorer settings, and you'll have to remake sure that the hidden folders are shown again, because we're going to have to redo it. So just make sure that it's shown, and apply, and OK. And you can skip that whole thing if you download this. This is called Everything Search. I'll download a link. It's a free software. It just searches way better than Windows search engine does. And if you just type Accordance Preferences, you can skip the whole hidden files thing, and it's the one located in AppData. But I'll assume that you did not do that, so we'll go to Window Explorer, which is already open here, and now I just got to find that and paste those from our flash drive. So we'll start with Accordance files, copy it. So you'll have to plug your flash drive into your new computer. Oh, and you'll have to already have Accordance installed. So assuming you already installed Accordance, now we're going to take the old files and bring them to our new computer with Accordance on it, and we will paste these files, and I'll show you how to just overwrite the ones that you just installed. So we'll go to, first one we'll do is Accordance files, which was located in Documents and Accordance files. So what we're going to do is just right click in here somewhere, just make sure you don't right click a folder, and I'd already copied it, so from the flash drive, so now I just paste it in here. I'm just going to say, do you want to replace the file? It has the same name, so you should see this pop up, and you just click yes, I want to replace the file in the destination. So that just replaced, that's now our old computer's version of this, which is going to have all our notes and workspaces and whatever else we have. And there's one other thing we need to do, so we need to go to our flash drive, and we just took the Accordance files. Now I do the Accordance Preferences, and we'll take that, copy it. So I had to right click on it, and I copied it. And now I need to track that down, which happens to be located in our new computer. We'll paste it, and it'll be C and users and whatever your new computer is called, as long as it's not default and public, and then AppData and local and Accordance. We'll open that, and there it is, Preferences. So Accordance Preferences, and now I'll paste it in our new computer. So I copied it from the flash drive, paste it, and yes, I want to replace it. So I just replaced that with the flash drive file, and now we have everything set up. It should work. So let's just go ahead and close out of this, and I'll just test it out to show you it's already running. So I guess I'll close it, and you might have to restart your computer for it to work. Alright, so we reopened Accordance, and you can see it saved all my new folders here, so we got that. And then when you go to Workspaces, the first time you click it, you might have to just remember the name you clicked on. So this one's called All Bibles, and in my case it just opened All Bibles, but in your case it might ask you which folder. You couldn't find the folder, so you'll have to go to Documents and then Accordance, and just open your folders, and then you just click on the one that says whatever your name you just clicked. So you just look for All Bibles and Documents, Accordance, and then All Bibles. It should open it right to the folder, so you shouldn't have to search. And you'll have to do that once for each one once you first open it the first time. And if you screwed up your computer somehow, the other thing you can do is uninstall the program, and then just make sure you don't save any of the preferences, and then reinstall it, and it will save, and then you'll just be back to step one. So yeah, nothing to worry about if you are not a computer savvy person. You just reinstall the program. So no, yeah, that's how you transfer your files from Accordance to new Accordance.